Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Choyan. Today's our topic is the history and benefits of counting, from ancient times to modern days. We often take counting for granted, but it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. In this session, we will explore the history of counting from its origins in ancient civilizations to its modern applications. We'll also delve into the benefits that counting provides in various domains. So, let's embark on this numerical journey together. Ancient origins of counting. Counting has ancient roots dating back thousands of years. We can trace the earliest forms of counting to ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Indus Valley. These early societies developed numerical systems using simple tally marks and symbols, laying the foundation for more complex counting methods to come. Development of number systems. As civilizations evolved, so did counting systems. The Egyptians introduced hieroglyphic symbols representing specific numbers, while the Babylonians developed a sophisticated sexagesimal system based on the number 60. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system, which we use today, emerged in ancient India and was later adopted by the Arab world. Mathematics and scientific advancements. Counting paved the way for significant advancements in mathematics and science. Ancient mathematicians like Pythagoras, Euclid, and Archimedes made groundbreaking discoveries by using counting as a fundamental tool. The concept of zero and the decimal system revolutionized mathematical calculations, leading to further scientific progress. Practical applications. Counting has numerous practical applications in everyday life. From basic tasks like measuring time, money, and quantities to complex calculations in fields such as engineering, finance, and computer science, counting enables accurate and efficient analysis, problem-solving, and decision-making. Economic and business impact. In the realm of economics and business, counting plays a pivotal role. Accurate financial counting allows businesses to track profits, expenses, and investments, facilitating budgeting, forecasting, and strategic planning. It also enables governments to collect taxes, monitor economic indicators, and make informed policy decisions. Statistical analysis. Counting is fundamental to statistical analysis. By collecting and counting data, researchers can draw meaningful conclusions, identify patterns and trends, and make informed predictions. Statistical counting empowers fields like market research, social sciences, healthcare, and environmental studies, helping us understand complex phenomena and make data-driven decisions. Digital age and computing. The digital age has revolutionized counting with the advent of computers. Counting became faster, more accurate, and capable of handling vast amounts of data. Computers use binary code, representing information as a sequence of zeros and ones, enabling complex calculations, data storage, and information processing at an unprecedented scale. Benefits of counting. Counting offers numerous benefits across various domains. It enhances critical thinking, problem-solving, and logical reasoning skills. Counting fosters a deeper understanding of numerical concepts, improves computational abilities and promotes a structured approach to analyzing information. Financial literacy and personal finance. Counting is vital for financial literacy and personal finance management. By developing strong counting skills, individuals can budget effectively, track expenses, save money, and make informed financial decisions. Understanding concepts like interest rates, investments, and debt is essential for long-term financial well-being. Numeracy in everyday life. Finally, counting is indispensable in everyday life situations. From measuring ingredients while cooking to calculating distances during travel, basic counting skills enable us to navigate daily tasks efficiently. Counting also helps in time management, organizing schedules, and setting goals. Conclusion. Counting has a rich history that has shaped our modern world. From ancient civilizations to the digital age, counting's impact is profound and pervasive. Its practical applications, economic significance, and benefits in various domains highlight its importance. By nurturing our counting skills, we can unlock a world of possibilities, empowering ourselves to excel in personal, professional, and academic endeavors. Thank you for joining with me. If you found this information valuable, please like, follow, subscribe, and share this video. Remember, counting is not just about numbers, it's about unlocking the power of understanding and making sense of our world. Until next time, keep counting and exploring the wonders of mathematics. Don't forget to share with your friends.